Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Infraglottic devices. Infraglottic devices are those devices which go below the glottis or beyond the glottis. Infraglottic devices include endoscopy or infraglottic devices include intubation. Intubation, tracheostomy will be infraglottic devices. Endoscopy is a procedure, not a device. So, intubation and tracheostomy are infraglottic devices. Whereas the laryngeal mask, airway, face masks, all these are supraglottic devices. So, infraglottic devices include intubation and the tracheostomy.
thank you and thank you for watching.